As soon as the tiling is completed, the sensor and mat must be checked again with a multimeter and the readings again recorded on the guarantee certificate. You must now leave the installation unheated for a minimum of 7 days to allow the floor to completely dry and consolidate. During this time, it is very likely the shower screens will be installed, so these multimeter tests must be repeated prior to final commissioning. You can now follow the detailed setup and commissioning details supplied with the individual heater mat.